Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to make a group chat on TikTok. So from here you can just open the TikTok app on this Android device or iOS. So from here you can just go into inbox section, and from the here you can see in the top left corner is plus button for create new chat. So from here you will see there is no option to create group chat in TikTok. Why you don't see the group chat option in this inbox? Because it's available in some regions, specific regions, but in my region is not available the group chat in TikTok. So make sure you will have to just open, and you will see there is no updation. My app is it is on latest app of TikTok. It's only reason not available. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.